Ricoh Pro C7500. The mobility of digital printing, high value-added features such as special colors, and the ability to handle a wide range of media are required in order to create a new printing business. Ricoh GCOS is on board to support further business efficiency and automation. Ricoh Pro C7500. High value-added printing. Evolved expressive power of special color toner. Gold and silver. Unique metallic colors can be reproduced by combining traditional process colors. White for special media, including transparent media and colored paper. Vibrant colors can be reproduced by printing white underneath. Neon pink and neon yellow for vivid colors enables a wider color gamut reproduction with combined process colors. Simple and easy output settings. Clear expresses varnish-like texture easily on digital printing. Invisible red appears under the black light. Replacement work made easy for special color toner. The ability to handle a wide variety of media expands the scope of printing business. A new elastic transfer belt is adopted. Enhanced beautiful printing on uneven media. Improved ability to handle thick paper, thin paper, and envelopes. Continuous long banner sheet printing is possible. Synthetic and special media. White toner enhances the expressiveness of transparent media. High quality and automation. High resolution. Mechanical registration. High productivity. Automation enables high precise prints through skill-less operation. Real-time front-to-back registration adjustment. Auto-calibration. Operational efficiency. Ricoh GCOS will bring the high value-added printing, the high operation efficiency of the printing workflow. Easy to operate UI with a large screen. The integrated media management system. Schedule management of maintenance and other tasks. Visualization of timeline, including operation status and adjustment work. Remote control using a tablet device or PC, and multiple simultaneous access are possible, bringing high business efficiency with the specialized workflow for commercial printing. A wide variety of options. Environmental standards in many countries conformed proactively. High value-added and high-quality printing. Ricoh Pro C7500. Advanced automation and highly efficient operation technology for creating a new printing business.